Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about a conversions of parameters. So total we have okay, total we have four parameters, correct? So what are the parameters want to discuss are first one is z parameters, y parameters, h parameter and ABCD parameters. ABCD parameters. Now it is very simple. This Z parameters is also called as an impedance parameters. Y parameters are called as admittance parameters. H parameters are called hybrid parameters. And ABCD parameters also called as transmissions parameters are T parameters. Correct? So here actually I want to discuss the conversions. Okay, conversions, because in the examinations they may ask any conversions, correct? Z to Y, Z to H, Z to ABCD, or Y to Z. See here total, what are the possibilities? Total 12 possibilities are here. For examples, Z to Y they may ask Z to H or Z to ABCD. So this is one of the possibilities. Or they may ask Y to Z, Y to H, and Y to ABCD. Next, H, correct? H to Z, H to Y, H to ABCD. Or T, okay? ABCD parameters also called as T parameters. They may ask T to Z, T to Y, T to H. So there are 12 possibilities are there. So how you need to remember all the 12 derivations or 12 conversions. So actually it is very difficult to remember all 12 conversions, but I'll tell the simple method here. Correct? See, out of these 12 derivations, 10 derivation procedure is same. 10 conversions, 10 conversions procedure is same. Procedure is same. Only conversions of z parameters to y parameters to z parameters is little bit different, but easy, but a little bit different. Okay, now today I explain one conversions, okay, which is a similar procedure with other 9. Okay, here, yeah, and this part I will discuss in a later, correct? Yeah. So here I'm going to convert today z parameters to h parameters. Conversions of z parameters to h parameters. Okay, z parameters to h parameters. Here you can use a same procedure for remaining 9 conversions, correct? Yeah, here understand the procedure years, correct? Yeah. Now conversions of z parameters, right? This is the conversions of z parameters to h parameters. Then first defined z parameters. Z parameters are v1 is equal to z11 I1 plus z12 I2, call this equation 1. Similarly v2 is equal to z21 I1 plus z22 I2, call this equation 2. So these are z parameters. Z parameters. Similarly, define H parameters. H parameters are V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Call this equation 3. Similarly, I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Okay, call this equation 4. So these are H parameters. H parameters. Now look at here. Then in every conversions, okay, in any conversions, you should not alter the equation 1 and 2. You should not change equation 1 and 2. You need to write as it is, correct? You need to alter only equation 3 or 4, correct? Yeah. Then whether you want to alter equation 3 or 4 is depending upon the comparisons. Okay, so here we need to make a comparisons of equation 3 and 4 with 1 and 2, correct? Yeah. First I do the comparisons of equation 3 with 1 and 2, correct? Okay, now here I'm going to first compare equation 3 with 1. Okay, 3 with 1, all the current and voltage variable should be same, then only you need to alter that equation. Now consider equation 3, compare equation 3 and 1. Okay, here voltage source V1 is here, V1 is here, I1 is here, I1 is here, but I2 and V2 here it is not very matching, correct? Okay, then don't alter equation 3. Before that, compare with equation 2 also. Then here V2 is here, okay, here V2 is here, here V2 is here, I1 is here, I1 is here, and here I2 is here, but here V1, okay, not matching. All current and voltage are not matching. So don't change equation 3. Okay, don't rearrange equation 3. Then come to equation 4 here. Just I'm going to erase this. See, don't alter equation 3 here. Then you need to alter, just compare. Okay, compare equation 4 with 1 and 2. First I'm going to compare equation 4 with equation 1. See here V1 is here, V1, no V1 here, okay, no V1 at all. Then compare equation 4 with equation 2. Then okay, 1 minute. Oh, so this is V2. Fine, yeah. Equation okay, 4 and do comparison 1. Here V2 is okay, here V1 is here, there is no V1, so not matching. Then compare 4 and 2. Here V2 is here V2 is here, I1 is here, I1 is here, I2 is here, I2 is here. See here, all the current and voltage variables are matching uh, from equations 2 and 4, correct? So that's why here you should not vary the equation 2. Here we need to vary the equation 4, correct? Yeah. How we need to vary the equation 4, how we want to rearrange the equation 4 in terms of equation 2, because here 2 and 4 are matching, no? Okay, we need to rearrange the equation 4 in terms of equation 2. So here the equation 2 is LHS part is V2 equal to, that's why arrange equation 4 in terms of 2. So from this we want to calculate V2, because equation 2 is V2 is equal to, so that's why arrange equation 4, okay, and calculate V2 years. Then I'm going to calculate V2 years. Okay, so here I want to calculate V2, H22, V2. I'm shifting this I2 minus H21 I1 So I want to calculate a V2 here. V2 is equal to 1 divided by H22 I2 minus H21 divided by H22 I1. Just I'm shifting this H22 below. Then what is the next step? So I want to rearrange equation 4 in terms of equation 2. So your equation 2 has I1 and I2, so that's why arrange in that pattern. So here V2 is equal to, first write this minus of H21 divided by H22 I1 plus 1 divided by H22 I2. Call it equation 5. Compare equation 5 and 2. Okay, compare equation. Okay, compare equation 5 and 2. Okay, so here V2 is here V2 is here. So here I1 is here I1 is here. It indicates that Z21 is equal to minus of H21 divided by H22. Okay, similarly, here I2 is I2 is here. It indicates that Z22 is equal to 1 divided by H22. Okay, so this is the first step. We have calculated two Z parameters here, Z21, Z22 in terms of H. So we need to calculate Z11 and Z12. Now in the first step, okay, in the first step we have varied. Okay, we have varied equation 4, no? Yeah, equation 4 with respect to equation 2. Then okay, then substitute the value of V2, means equation 5, in equation 3. Okay, so which one is not altered in the first step? We need to substitute the equation 5 in that equation. So here I'm going to substitute the equation 5 value in equation 3. Okay, yeah. Then first write equation 3 once again. Okay, once again equation 3. Here V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. So I'm going to substitute, this is the equation 3. I'm going to substitute the value of V2, that is equation 5. So equation 5, I'm going to substitute the value of V2 from equation 5 into equation 3. So here V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12. So what is the value of V2? We have calculated, no? Just substitute that. H21 divided by H22 I1 plus 1 divided by H22 I2. Okay, fine. Now, okay, just simplify this and arranging in I1 and I2. So H11 I1, open this bracket, okay, open this bracket, minus H12 H21 divided by H22 I1 plus H12 divided by H22 I2. Just rearranging in I1 and I2 forms. So V1 is equal to, here you can take an LCM, H22. So here H11 H22 minus of H12 and H21, correct, into I1 plus H12 divided by H22 I2. Call this equation 6, and compare. Okay, compare equation 6 with equation 1. Here equation 1, V1 I1 I2 equation 1 also v1 I1 I2, so it implies that z11 and we are going to get a z11 and z12 values. So here z11 is equal to this one. So here h22, what is the value of this? h11 h12 h22 minus h12 h21, it is nothing but a dull of h, because so we are going to represent here h11 h12 h21 and h22 like this. How to calculate a delta h? So a multiplication of this determinant h11 h22 minus h21 h21 and h12, same thing, replaced that delta h. So here then z12 is equal to this value, z1 h12 divided by h22. So we have calculated all the z parameters in terms of h. So just write a matrix here, matrix z11 z12 z21 z21 and z22 in terms of h. So what is the value of z11? z11, yeah, this delta h divided by h22, delta h divided by h22. I'm going to write here. Okay, delta h divided by h22. Similarly, what is the value of z12? Okay, the value of z12 is, yeah, this one, h12 divided by h22, h12 h12 divided by h22. Similarly, what is the value of z21 and z22? z21, yeah, so z21 is minus h21 divided by h22 and z22 is 1 divided by h22. I'm going to copy that. Now right here, so you minus h21 divided by h22 and 1 divided by h22. So this is the conversions of z parameters in terms of h parameters. Correct? Now look at here, same procedure we can use for other 9 conversions except z to y and y to z. So here the main important concept is, yeah, which one you want to alter. So this concept is a very important. We need to do the comparisons. All the current and voltage variables should be matched. Then only we need to alter that equation. So after that, okay, we need to substitute the value of you will get one value after varying. We need to substitute that value in other equations. See here, first two equations you should keep as it is. You need to alter the equation 3 or 4. So this is all about the conversions of one parameters to another parameters. The procedure is same except conversions of z to y and y to z. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, if you like, just do subscribe. Thank you.